Circuit Court Judge Dennis Robinson began deliberating this afternoon. He's going through a mountain of arguments, testimony, and evidence since the trial began June 21st. Judge Dennis Robinson had many questions that interrupted the prosecution's closing arguments. Judge Robinson, on the count sex abuse of a minor, the state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he was under the age of 18 at the time, so where do I look for that? Judge, this isn't a trivial point. This is an element of the crime the state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt, and that is the victim is under the age 18. Judge, on the count of soliciting a minor, where is the evidence he was a minor? The prosecution says the victim was attacked while sorting out wrestling gear at the defendant's home around June 7th, before his 18th birthday. As for the solicitation charge, they argue it's the pattern and conduct the defendant had over a period of time. Prosecutors contend Adelberg, the so-called grandfather of Maryland wrestling, groomed the victim. He showered him with gifts, emotional and mental support. He made the victim financially dependent on him. Prosecutors claim Adelberg skillfully manipulated the truth with narratives to suit the wrestling community and the court. The prosecution says he had a romantic obsession with the victim and wanted a sexual relationship with him. Prosecutors charge when Adelberg could no longer control him mentally, he put a financial stranglehold on him. When that didn't work, he changed the narrative to a character assassination of the victim. Adelberg's defense attorney put it bluntly in closing arguments. He's not guilty. Referring to the charges, he reminded the judge the victim is not sure when it happened and the state offered no evidence that he was under 18 at the time. The defense declared the victim is lying and engaged in a pattern of deceit after Adelberg cut him off financially. What incentive does he have to lie? His life was falling apart. He was out of college and swirling down a drain of life. Could it have been a money grab? The defense believes the victim got fed up. I'm going to crush you. You inserted your life into mine, and now I'm going to crush you. Judge Robinson announced he will deliver his verdict 10 a.m. tomorrow. Reporting from Circuit Court in Towson, David Collins, WBIL TV 11 News.